Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this Corsair DDR5 5600MHz Vengeance RGB Ram. We're going to open it up and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll put it in my PC so you can see what the Ten-Zone RGB lighting looks like. Now, if you are interested in this RAM or any of the components I'm using in my build, I will have them all linked below in the description, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. So what I've got here is 32 gigabytes of Corsair 5600 megahertz DDR5 RAM. Now this is 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes and it's the C36 latency rating, so very fast RAM here. And it's also Intel optimized. So this is the Vengeance RGB DDR5. Now at the top here, you can see there's a Dynamic Ten-Zone RGB lighting, and I'll show you that again once it's installed on my PC so you can see what the lighting looks like. It's Intel XMP ready and it supports iCUE. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So in the box here, of course, we've got our Corsair memory user guide and safety information, and two 16 gigabyte sticks of DDR5. It's got a really nice kind of speckled look to it here, made with triangles. It says Vengeance there. Behind here is where your RGB lights are. And on the back, more of that speckled look. It says DDR5 there. So I'm going to go ahead and install this in my PC and I'll show you what the RGB lights look like. So over here in the Corsair iCUE software, you can customize your RAM. You can see which DIMM slots your RAM is installed in. You can add murals for coloring. There's a whole bunch of those. You can do hardware lighting, so you can adjust the colors manually here. You can select from different presets, color pulse, color shift, color wave, etc. A whole bunch of those, or static down here, or multicolor. So if you do static, you can select the DIMM slot for the color, and then you can select a color here as well. So maybe you want green, you just select that, and you can adjust the colors very easily of your RAM in there. You can see the cooling of your RAM, the temperatures. You can see alerts in here for the RAM. And as well, you can see the firmware. You can update that or check for updates here and adjust the brightness. So I've got the RAM installed on my motherboard here, and I've currently got it set to the rainbow mode so you can see all the coloring coming up. And of course you could customize it, have it static or pulse, fully customizable in the iCUE software. Now I've had this installed for a few weeks now. I've had zero problems with it. It works great and it really matches the fans in my system, and it's nice and bright and vibrant. So really happy with it. And again, this is the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM in the 5600 megahertz version, and there's 32 gigabytes of it.